Now activity 4, what happens in activity 4? In activity 4 we have replaced that lemon juice liquid, right? In activity 3 in activity 2 the lemon juice liquid is replaced by distilled water. This is distilled water. Same experiment, just the lemon juice is replaced with distilled water. Distilled water is, it is a very pure form of water. Pure form means there in distilled water there are no extra minerals or any substances in the water. What you drink or use, the water that you use regularly, in that water there are various types of minerals. Okay, magnesium, zinc, iodine, all of these minerals are present in the regular water that we use. But in distilled water, that is why it is not found in any shop, in stationary shop from where you buy water. It is used only in some special things like acid battery, that inverter battery. So distilled water is used. Okay, so distilled water is a very pure form of water in which there are no minerals or extra any minerals are not present. That is only H2O. Okay, in distilled water there is only molecules of H2O. There are no extra minerals. So what happens when we use distilled water as a connector? When we use distilled water as a connector, then the bulb does not glow. That means what? The distilled water is a bad conductor of electricity, or it is an insulator. Distilled water is an insulator. How do you understand that? Because the through distilled water current is not flowing. And how do you understand that current is not flowing? Because the bulb does not glow. If current was to flow, then the bulb would have glowed. Okay, since the bulb is not glowing, that means what? Current is not flowing. That means distilled water is an insulator. Through distilled water current is not flowing. Okay, this is very simple. Distilled water is an insulator. That we should know, that we get to know from this experiment. Very simple one.